is no specific and limited breach that is permitted. It's exactly as you said. This is the announcement of a breach of international law, and that is surprising and, as far as I know, unprecedented before Parliament. The Northern Ireland Protocol was supposed to be a tight and viable solution, even if there's no free trade agreement, for the problem of not wanting a border on the island of Ireland. So not reaching a free trade agreement is hardly a change of circumstances. It is precisely the type of circumstances for which this solution was envisaged. The EU and the UK could face dispute settlement under the withdrawal agreement with the possibility of countermeasures at the end of the dispute settlement procedure. They involve not just obligations under the withdrawal agreement, but also other obligations that the EU might have. And so the most likely sanctions you always see in trade is tariffs that are imposed on the goods from the other side. We'd have to see what would happen under these circumstances. The first question should be, what happens to the relationship with the EU? Because the UK is in the process of negotiating a free trade agreement with the EU, and this is unlikely to go down very well in those negotiations. I think it's fair to say those negotiations are in deep, deep trouble. What will it do to the UK's overall reputation? I think there we shouldn't exaggerate. First thing is, other partners are well aware that these are the Brexit negotiations. This is rather special. This is very politicized and open to populist activities, if you want. However, every other government will now face additional considerations when negotiating with the UK. The UK had an excellent reputation for abiding by international law, and now there will be the extra step of thinking, well, are we open to politicization? Do we need to make sure that there are special enforcement procedures in place? I don't think that will be the case in many agreements, but the thought process will be there.